Whether you're tailgating, camping, or enjoying a day out on the deck, smoked meat is a slow-cooked meal worth waiting for. Smoking cuts of meat at about 275 degrees for at least 4 hours creates a flavorful, juicy flavor profile unlike any other method of cooking. While all smokers can produce the juicy, smoky flavor in meats, they don't all achieve it the same way. Fuel type, size, temperature control, safety, and capacity are all important factors to consider when shopping for the best smoker for you.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best food smoking machine. So let's get started. Number 5. Dyna-Glo DGSS1382 VCSD. This vertical griller boasts a whopping 1,382 square-inch cooking surface for those big barbecue parties, and it has an offset firebox that allows the user to add fuel without sacrificing temperature. The Dyna-Glo can run on either charcoal or wood, and its vertical design provides for good air and smoke flow throughout the cooking chamber. As a bonus, the external temperature gauge allows you to monitor the temperature without opening the door. This smoker is made of a heavy-gauge metal, however, it is not insulated. But a little extra sealant around the gaps makes a good offset smoker with lots of upside. Number 4. Z-Grill's ZPG450A Grill. The Z-Grill's ZPG450A does just about everything for aspiring smokers with more features than average pellet grills. In addition to its smoking capabilities, this machine can grill, bake, barbecue, roast, and braise. Its 450 square-inch grilling surface is spacious enough to prepare a lot of food at once. The automatic digital control board walks users through every step of the cooking process from ignition to temperature control. The ZPG450 as wood pellet fuel burns efficiently and cleanly without sacrificing smoky flavor. This Z-Grill's pellet grill and smoker boasts a stainless steel construction that protects against the elements and has a convection fan system that regulates its temperature. This is a good smoker for beginners since it is as close as it gets to a set-it-and-forget-it machine, which can be an advantage or a disadvantage, since those who seek a more hands-on smoking experience might be disappointed at how much the machine does by itself. Number 3. Masterbuilt MB20073519. This electric smoker from Masterbuilt takes all of the guesswork out of smoking. A built-in probe thermometer helps ensure perfectly smoked meat every time, but that's just one of its bells and whistles. This electric smoker also has Bluetooth technology that allows the operator to adjust temperature, lighting, power, and even check the meat temperature from his or her phone. This smoker's electric power source makes ignition and maintaining precise temperatures a cinch, and its side-loading wood chip reservoir makes it easy to refuel without losing heat. The downside is that it should not be used in wet conditions. The bottom line is this smoker is a terrific pick if you're using it close to home, in fair weather, and want succulent meat with no hassle. Number 2. Char-Griller E16620 Acorn Kamado Charcoal Grill. The Char-Griller charcoal grill doesn't just smoke meat, it can also be used for roasting and grilling. Because it's a charcoal smoker, the Acorn charcoal grill doesn't offer much in the way of temperature control beyond a pair of vents and an external temperature gauge, so getting the perfect smoke might take a few tries, but that's half the fun. The Acorn's porcelain-coated, 22-gauge steel body is more durable than comparable ceramic smokers and is the size of a small gas grill. Though its grilling space is not as expansive as that of other smokers at 447 square inches, this charcoal grill does have folding side shelves that'll easily accommodate your plates and tongs. The Char-Griller's insulated design keeps heat in and weather out, and its exterior stays cool to the touch for safe operation around children or pets. This is a versatile little grill overall, though its lack of automation and limited capacity won't please everyone. Number 1. Traeger Grills TFB88PZBO Pro Series 34 Pellet Grill. Fired by wood pellets, Traeger's TFB88PZBO Pro Series unit can be classified as a smoker-grill combo that can smoke, grill, bake, roast, braise, and barbecue. Smokers don't get more versatile than this. Traeger uses quality, steel construction and a powder-coated finish to help protect this pellet grill from the elements. And its Digital Pro controller guarantees steady, even heat that lasts as long as the firebox is full of wood pellets. The 884 square inch cooking surface area is roomy enough to accommodate all but the most oversized banquets. This unit also comes with 2 meat probes. Unlike some other pellet grills, this unit does not come with Wi-Fi capability. That was our list of the top 5 best food smoking machine just for you.